Hey guys, it's me, Phil. Welcome back to my channel. So I absolutely love Japchae. Japchae is a Korean side dish that consists of glass noodles and vegetables, accompanied by meats like beef, chicken, and sometimes eggs. In this video, I'll show you how to make it, and if you didn't watch my previous video with the Korean barbecue, I'll go ahead and put a link down below. Let's get started. Go ahead and crack 2 eggs in a small bowl and then whisk it. Bring a pan to medium heat and add a tablespoon of oil. Add the eggs in. So I'm going to peel the carrot. I'm gonna go ahead and chop the green onions. Go ahead and chop the white parts in half. Now we're gonna slice the mushroom. Thinly slice the onion. Go ahead and mince 2 garlics. Once the egg is done cooking, go ahead and transfer it over to your cutting board. And we're going to go ahead and slice the egg. You can fold it to make it easier. Bring 2.5 liters to a boil. So when the water comes to a boil, go ahead and add the noodles in. Using the same pan you used to fry the egg, go ahead and turn it up. And we're frying the carrots first because it takes the longest. So after stir frying the carrots for 1 to 2 minutes, go ahead and add the onions. Go ahead and add the garlic as well. After a minute, go ahead and add the mushroom and green onion, or the white parts of the green onion. We're also going to season the stir fry with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. After cooking the mushrooms for 2 minutes, I added the green onion and stir fried it for another minute, and then turn off the heat. I have my japchae here in the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add the stir fry. And to this, I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning. Go ahead and stir that in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the egg right on top. And your side dish is ready. Okay guys, that's it. We're done with the japchae. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave comments down below. If you like more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.